When I was smaller and I visited this place, the people who organized this and the people in the demo scene and all these were great stars to me, and I sort of feel that I hope I can bring some of that to the visitors now.
I like the atmosphere here. Lots of people and computers and combos.
The demos are interesting and beautiful to look.
Oh, this is fun. That's the best motivation. Like you can be part of this about 50-person apparatus, which makes it possible for say 4,000 people to bring their computers in and make a network that really works. It's fun.
I just found the atmosphere of assembly to be such nice that I wanted to be in organizing it.
I think it's, can I say the world's biggest Demoscene party.
It's a wonderful feeling to have been a part of making this kind of big event for TV and see the people applause in the main hall.
We are 70 now people there. A lot of people doing it.
I love to organize things and do the background and kind of make things work, and it's really rewarding when you get something done.
People already know what the assembly is, and we can focus on getting the best experience to the visitors. So we can just do the thing much better every year, and now it's getting really nice.
Everybody can have fun and between the time that we are here and interact with each other and have a really good friends.
When you have something difficult and things aren't working, and then suddenly everything goes fine, and we make a great program or something just goes well, and you feel like, wow, we did it.
Basically, we are all one team.
It's the teamwork. It's one of the main beautiful things about us is the team.
I have entries for almost all music competitions except fast music, and I have also a demo here.
It's a well-organized party, and you meet a lot of people that you know, and this is the only event that you go to, so you meet these people once a year.
There's always a lot of things to do here, a lot of people to meet and a lot of combos to watch, and of course there are a lot of assembly specific things like raves and seminars and stuff, and of course it's a good weather outside, so everyone is going to spend a lot of time outside.
You're gonna visit some friends there?
Yeah, of course. You know, all the best guys are
in the woods.
Why are you here and not in the arena? What's the spirit behind this place?
I think the atmosphere here is a bit more relaxed and there's more fresh air.
Sun, summer, booze and blee. Yeah, that's it.
I think it's great to having it, and I really like to do it every year.
I will have a wonderful experience of this, and this is a great opportunity for me.
We are volunteered, so we don't get any paid. It's just a great opportunity.
Being up more than 2 days and with only little food.
It's not very funny after you've been awake for say 30 hours or so and try.
It was complete chaos.
Tired, but happy.
We try and keep people motivated, so if somebody thinks that they would want to do something else next year, then they can apply for a change and the responsible person for that function will say whether they were good at what they did.
Things really work and they go very smoothly this year.
What makes a success? Well, everybody from their own effort makes it spectacular.
It's the people organizing it.
The success, it's inside you. It's inside, the guys in the hall. It's inside the organizers. It's the thing.
Maybe because there are so many people who are studying this.
Well, good planning is very important, and it makes things just successful.
Well, I think the success is the people. Without people, we wouldn't have this big party.
It's a kind of own community itself. We have our own TV channel and everything, and very special things. I think it's kind of interesting.
It's very much that the visitors come here every year, but of course it's also that we want to do this, that we are motivated. Nobody is forced to do this here, and it's fun. Anyway, we have a great after party. We do try and learn from everyone else. If someone has a good idea, we do try and steal it.
The practice is the best way to learn.
Everybody has an opportunity to play and win and do the stuff they like and love.
Be creative. Don't hesitate to try new kind of media things because they usually attract people.
Be prepared for everything. Hire people to do it. Hire a professional, project manager.
New blood brings new ideas, and then those guys can learn new tricks.
Be prepared for everything. Changes happen all the time.
Share things freely with others and see and learn from each other what they are doing. And just believe on it, and it will come.
do try and explain to my girlfriend that it's only once a year, but
She's not too happy, yeah?
not always.